Today we're going to use the clipping mask tool to mask an image so that we can clip it down to the shape of any vector that we like. To start with, we're going to set up our workspace. We're going to go File, New, and then we're going to select the size document that we want to work in. For this one, we're going to use an A4 landscape document. Then click Create. Now the vector that we're going to use is text, and we're going to fill that text with an image. So first off, we need to create our text by selecting the Type tool and typing the text that we want to use. We can then change the text, we can change the size, and we can change the font. Once you are happy with the size and font, you can then create an outline of your text so that your text becomes a vector. By Type and then Create Outlines. Now that our text is a vector, it's got 5 individual vectors in here. We want to merge these vectors so we've got one entire vector. By dragging and clicking each of our sections, we can use the Pathfinder tool to unite each of our vectors into the one whole vector. Now when we zoom in on our text, we can see that there are no longer lines separating each of our sections of our image. It's one whole vector. We then want to place the image that we want to be cutting out, so we go File and then Place. And you can select your image from your desktop. We are going to use a pebble background and place it in our file. If you want to keep your document or your image a particular size, when you place it in, you click and drag it out to the size that you want. So now in front of our text we have our pebble background, and behind it we have our text. In order to cut out this text from this background, we need the text to be sitting in front. To do that, we can go Object, Arrange, and Bring to Front. So we've brought our text in front of our pebble image now. We then place our image where we would like it to sit over our text. We can increase our size of our font or our vector. To do that and keep it uniform, we need to hold down Shift whilst we drag out each corner. If you are happy with that, you then select both by clicking and dragging over both of them, and you go up to Object and Clipping Mask. We then apply the clipping mask by selecting Make, and now your image lives within your vector. So we've essentially cropped our image down to the shape of our vector. And that's how you use the clipping mask tool in Illustrator.